Say goodbye to stale food and hello to extended freshness with the electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit. Your all-in-one solution for vacuum sealing wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars. This innovative kit includes everything you need: a cordless electric vacuum pump, a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, 5 regular mouth lids, and a user guide to get you started. Whether you're preserving fruits, nuts, dry goods, or leftovers, this vacuum sealer kit removes air from your jars to keep your food fresher for longer. With its 2-size compatibility, switching between wide mouth and regular mouth jars is a breeze. Simply install the standard mouth converter, lock it into place, and you're ready to go. Using the sealer couldn't be easier. Center the electric vacuum sealer over the jar lid, press firmly, and click the button to activate the vacuum pump. In just 40 seconds, your food is securely sealed. No manual pumping, hoses, or bulky machines needed. Press the button again and the process is complete. Perfect for kitchens of any size, this portable and cordless vacuum sealer is compact enough to travel with you. Whether you're on a camping trip, at a picnic, or simply storing pantry essentials at home, it offers the ultimate convenience for preserving food wherever you go. With the electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit, save time, effort, and counter space while ensuring your food stays fresh and flavorful. Upgrade your kitchen storage game today. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit. Simple, efficient, and designed to keep your food fresh longer.